Did you know that animals have such an incredible variety of sounds they use to communicate? Listen to the roar of a lion, a sound that can be heard up to 5 miles away in the wild. Did you know that a giraffe makes a sound that is similar to a low-pitched flute? And what about the elephant? Their low-frequency rumbles can travel through the ground and be heard by other elephants miles away. Some animals, like the hyena, use laughter as a way to communicate with their pack members. Let's not forget the whales, whose haunting and melodic songs can travel for thousands of miles underwater.